Available at Titan Machinery of Imperial, we have this 2009 Case IH Farmall 95 with 718 hours. The front tires are Goodyear 13.6 R24s, and the rear tires are Goodyear 18.4 R34s. This tractor has 3 rear remotes. It has a 3-point hitch. It's equipped with a 540 1000 PTO. This tractor also features an MFWD for an axle drive, manual transmission, 12 forward speeds, rear differential lock, deluxe cab, and an air seat. The cab condition, appearance, and mechanical condition are all excellent. If you're interested in this tractor or any other piece of equipment, please contact our sales department at 308-882-4221 or visit us on the web at titanmachinery.com.